Hi everyone, I am Fiona. In today's video, we will show you the electrical component of the EPS cutting line we exported to Europe. The electrical components of the entire line are mainly installed in 6 electrical control cabinets. Let's show them one by one. Operator console with touchscreen. Main electrical control box of EPS cutting line. Auxiliary electrical control box of EPS cutting line. Electrical control box of 4 sides EPS packaging machine. Electrical control box of stacking machine. Electrical control box of PE wrapping machine. All our electrical components use international first-line brands such as Siemens, Schneider, and Delta, and comply with European CE certificate standards. For more information about the EPS machine and EPS mold, please contact us by email or mobile phone. We will be happy to answer your questions.